Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, welcome back. So we were done with the properties of addition. So those properties they hold true for the addition. Okay, now the properties are for this subtraction. Now we will see which property holds true and which doesn't. So the first is closure property. So it's the same as that of the addition one, but in this case we are subtracting the two whole numbers. So it's saying that while subtracting the whole numbers, but we know the property, right? But it's being said that this property doesn't hold true for a subtraction, because see, if we are subtracting 8 minus 3, that will be 5. That is a whole number, that's true. But if let's say I'm subtracting this 8 minus 10, I'm doing this, okay, the answer will be minus 2. So that is not a whole number, okay. So we can say that this closure property that doesn't hold true for the subtraction. Now the second one is the commutative property. So it is not also holding true for the this whole numbers, because see, here I have taken this whole numbers, okay, 8 minus 3, that will be 5, but 3 minus 8, that won't be 5, that will be minus 5, and there is a huge difference between 5 and minus 5, so it's not also holding true. Now the third one is associative property. It's also not holding true. You can see it yourself. This 12 minus 4, we have make a group of this, minus 3, that is 8 minus 5, but when I take this, it is 11. So it's not also holding true for it. Now is the fourth one, that is the property of 0. The property of 0 is that if 0 is subtracted from any whole number, then the result will be the number itself. Okay, students, these were the properties. Now it's exercise 4a and it's on page 59. The first question is 8 plus 7 is equal to dash plus 8. If we see the commutative property, it will be 7. Same is the case here. Same here, here, here and here. Okay. Now the second question is mark true or false. 23 minus 3 is 3 minus 23. It's false, because this commutative property is not holding true for subtraction. The second one, 16 plus 4 is 4 plus 16. That's true. The third one is false. The fourth is true. The addition ones are true and the subtraction ones are false, because the subtraction is not holding true for these properties. Now it's time for the third question. We have to use the associative property here. Okay, so 87 plus 64 plus 36, using associative property, I am just seeing whether these questions are coming out to be true or not. So I am making this group first, finding out the answer, then making these groups. ठीक है ना, क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, ग्रुप्स, क्योंकि एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी में ग्रुप्स चेंज करके आंसर देखते हैं ना, तो आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द सेम. पहले इन दो का ग्रुप बनाया, उस पे आंसर लाया, फिर इन दो का ग्रुप बना के आंसर लाया. इफ यू कुड सी हियर, द सेकंड इज सेम, यूजिंग एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. पहले इन दो का ग्रुप बना के किया. ग्रुप बनाने का मतलब क्या है, ये ब्रैकेट में आ रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू उस पे जो ऑपरेशन है हमें वो पहले परफॉर्म करना है, जस्ट लाइक दैट, वेदर दैट्स प्लस माइनस एनीथिंग. सो ये आंसर आ रहा है, जब ये करके भी आंसर यही आ रहा है. नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. 90 प्लस 73 प्लस 10 प्लस 7. अगर हम इन सबको प्लस करें, सी ये है ना, यहाँ पे 100 है, तो इन दो को करके 100 आ रहा है. ओके, सो ये तो खत्म. इसके इन दो को प्लस करके कितना आ रहा है, 80, तो वही 80 मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया. नाउ इट्स 198 प्लस 73 प्लस 27. सी यहाँ पे 198 है. अगर दो ब्लैंक्स होते तो मैं इन दोनों को लिख लेती, बट देयर इज ओनली वन ब्लैंक. दैट मीन्स जो इनको सिंगल बना के करना है. सिंगल कैसे बनेगा, इनको प्लस करके. तो ये आ जाएगा 100, I think. Yes, 100. Okay. And the question number 5 is name the property. Students, this is a commutative property. Okay. This is the additive identity. This is again the commutative. This is the associative, and this is also the associative property. Now it's the question, find the successor and predecessor. Okay, students, see 2949. इसका successor कैसे आएगा, इस नंबर को प्लस से 1 प्लस करके. प्रेडिसेसर कैसे आएगा, 1 माइनस करके. सेम यहाँ पे भी +1 करके, -1 करके, +1 करके, -1 करके. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. दिस एक्सरसाइज इज कंप्लीटेड.